Sunday, everybody. It is myself and the talented, wonderful Miss Laura. She makes me say that, by the way. We're here on Sunday night, West Coast Swing, twice a month, class and dance in Herndon, Virginia. So if you came tonight, I always thank you. This is something I never taught before. And Laura and I actually taught a move last year called Wamba, walking samba in West Coast Swing. This is Wamba too. We always come up with different versions. At the end of the sugar push leaders, for the class's sake and just for the time, we just went into a right-to-right handhold as she anchors on the 5 and 6. You can get into a handhold in a right-to-right however you wish, just for the time being. Quick snip, snap, turn, right-to-right. So here, boom, boom, boom. All right? You move a little bit over to her right as well on the rail, so you're coming into the next part. The next part is 1, 2, 3, and 4. For the ladies, it's whip count, and also for the gentlemen, we're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, I know you didn't see that very well, but we're going to show you how to do it. So Laura's going to come in, and you're going to turn her half turn to her left. And we're just going to do Laura's footwork. She's going to go 1, 2, 3, 4. Coming forward onto her right foot. We'll just go this direction. Just do that way. So you're coming in 1, 2, 3, and 4. Leaders, you're coming around her left side to get in front of her in a different way. You're going to have to adjust your hand. So you're going to turn your wrist clockwise to the right to turn her elbow over. So the best way to do it is going front to back. So I've already switched hands on the right to right. So if I had a shirt push, this will be ready. As she comes in, 1, 2, 3, and 4. I turn my wrist over and I end up in the middle of her back, still connected to that right hand. My other hand's free. All right? That takes the longest to really get used to. So at the end of the shirt push, we're going right to right. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Guys, you're going to take your left hand, put it on the right hip. Don't be creepy. Now, somebody asked me one time, why do I always say don't be creepy? Because ladies come up to me half the time and say, will you please say that in the video, because a lot of guys get creepy. But you need to put your hand here for the next part. So by 4, put your hand on her right hip. Okay? Smoothly, nicely. She'll like it. 5 and 6. So 1, 2, 3, and 4. Now I'm right in front of her. On my left foot, Laura's on her right foot. Now we're going to start a series of walks going down the track. We're going to go 5, 6, 7, 8. You can do more as long as under an even count, but you want to guide her with the hand in your back, behind her back, and the hand on the hip. So a little bit quicker. 3 and 4. Right to right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now Laura can either stay connected here. She can put her arm up. She can style that. She does that. How to get out of it? We're going to do a couple more steps, but they're not going to be walking, they're going to be turning. So we're going to finish it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So you're going to turn her, guys, you're going to get off the track to the right. Turn her to her right, keep the hand low, and switch hands back into your left. Slowly. You don't want to snap turn out, you don't want to make her think it's a triple count. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, walk, walk, and then I put my hand in her right. Okay? Go this way. It's a fun move. You need distance on the track. Okay? Pull through. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, walk, walk, triples. And that's it. So it takes some time. Guide her down the track. You can do more walks as long as they're an even count. But it's a nice smooth one. Laura likes it. So got to add it to my room.
Let's do it again.
See? So thank you guys as always. We hope you use this. It's something I've never taught before. That's why we share it and hope you use it next time you go dancing. Until next time, have a great week.